This is the instruction video of LCD tester for iPhone. Now switch on the test power. We can see the model is iPhone 5s. Press LCD button to choose different LCD. We can have a look of all the LCD model on the screen. Press touch button to choose different touch. Now we will show you how to test iPhone 5s LCD. Firstly, switch on the power. Press the LCD button to choose iPhone 5s LCD. Then we connect iPhone 5s PCB to the tester. Turn off the test power. Turn on the test power again. Connect iPhone 5s LCD to the tester. Turn on the switch. You can see TP OK, it means the touch is OK. Press up or down to display different pictures. If we choose other LCD model, such as iPhone 5s OGS, you can see the LCD and touch display abnormal. It displays TPNG, and LCD display abnormal. If we choose right LCD model again, everything is OK. Now the test is OK. Now we will test iPhone 6 Plus LCD. The operation is similar as iPhone 5s. We connect iPhone 6 Plus PCB to the tester. Then we will choose iPhone 6 Plus by press the button. Turn off the test power. Connect iPhone 6 Plus LCD to the tester. Turn on the tester power again. It displays TPNG, which means there is something wrong with the touch. Press up or down to display different pictures. Now the test is OK. Now we will test iPhone 4s LCD. Connect the PCB to the tester. Then we turn on the power. Press the button to choose iPhone 4s. Turn off the power. Then we connect iPhone 4s LCD to the tester. Turn on the power again. We can see it display TPOK. Press up or down to display different pictures. It shows the LCD is OK. Now we will show you how to charge LCD tester. Connect the charger to the LCD tester and turn on the power. Then we can charge the battery.